show you the features in the document. The first thing is document class article. Then begin document, end document. I am not showing any other features in this. Just I will show you how to create simple bibliographies in this. I am not doing any sectioning and all these things. Okay. So title, how to insert references. Author, okay. So there are two methods, rather three methods of bibliography handling in LaTeX. The first one is very simple one. It is mainly useful for those persons who write only one or two papers in their lifetime. Okay, this is for this. For this purpose, first we have to create one environment. Okay, begin the bibliography. Okay, and end the bibliography. The widest label what here says is either it can be 9 or 99 or 999 or whatever it is. Suppose you have only 9 references in your work, either article or book, whatever, then write 9. If it is more than 9 and up to 99, you write 99 here, and it is more than 99 and up to 999, you write like, okay. So I am just giving it to 9. Then the other thing in bibliography is we have to create each and every reference by hand. For that, what we have to do, every reference will be a bib item. Bib item. Then there is one site key. Key means, suppose I'm giving like this. Gopal Gopal or sometimes other may be here. Like, survival of then journal's name, you can here also write either M. Then So we have created one bib item, and this is the key. Is one of the others name we generally give, and the era of publication, so that we can easily quote in our paper. So to cite this in our paper, we will write, okay, not suppose to cite here. I just write cite. See, because of why I am using text studio, that is why it is already giving the name of the site, because already took into its memory. If you use any other IDE, this facility will not be available to you. Okay? Then what we have to do is, before uh, doing anything, first we have to save this one. So I am saving this to save as already told. Always, always save your work to a separate folder. Okay, save video. Okay. Now, when I compile the document, you see the references heading automatically given where the bibliography was given, and then it is shown as in square bracket. That's simple. Okay. Suppose I have another bibliography matter. I type it here. Okay. Bib item like thing 96. Okay. BBC is cycle like this. Then journal name, this the journal name, where are we? Microbiology. Then what are the text PDF? Then fourth volume. It is now we have two one. Suppose we can write a separate line. Okay, Singh and Sanya in something. Don't think I am a microbiologist or anything. Whatever is coming to my mind, I am writing here. Okay. Now to quote it, I can say think like when I compile this document, see, here is one, here is the two. And further, suppose I want to include the page number of the reference also. Then I can write blah 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 something. Okay, site like here I am adding square bracket, say page. What are the pages I am giving you? 34, so 35. Okay. Now when I compile it, will come like this. Number one, page 35. Another facility is you can combine two or more references also. Okay. Yeah. That it has micro, let's say site. Okay. Buffer. Then give a comma here. Again, C will come. Select it. Now, again, compile it. It will come like this. How simple it is? Okay, like it. Now, we will deal with a package called NatBib. This package gives more flexibility for us also. For that purpose, we have to give here on the top of the page at the beginning of after document class or somewhere backslash use package, okay, that it has various options also, I will tell you later. Then when we give this, we have some extra facilities available, like before the key in the square brackets we will write, okay, like this. Suppose here we write, okay, in at all 1996. Then don't give space after this, okay. Then link to and Sanya, like this. So we have some more additional features we can get. How? Suppose I am just telling it. Here we wrote only simply site. Now we'll write site T. We'll see the difference immediately. Okay, site T. Single in Sanyal. Okay, single in Sanyal in 1960 proved. Aeromonas is susceptible. So here instead of writing Nath and Sanyal, okay, you can directly say here site A Bhopal, their paper study. Okay, now I am removing this one. Okay, run it. You have to run. Okay, see here Nath and Sanyal 1995 in their paper study like this. Like this, here I am writing Singh and Sanyal like this. Okay, instead of this, I can directly say site D. What it comes? Singh et al. 1996 proved like this. We can use. Suppose some journals what they say is we have to use the full name of the authors. Then we have already wrote the full names here. So we can simply put a star here. Then when we compile the document, the full name will come. Singh, Tikku and Sanyal proved that. See, this is the beauty of this package. NAT bib. And in addition to this, there are many other things also. Like in site B, you see, suppose I write site B, it will come in parenthesis. Okay, see, Nath and Sanyal 95. So, see, T means textual, P is for parenthesis. Site P means it will come in parenthesis. Site T means it is a textual one, no parenthesis. And if you use a star, the full name will come. Okay. Otherwise, only the first thing et al. One will come. In addition to this, other things are also there. Suppose you are writing your work and you want to quote only the author's name, then we can say cite author blah 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 or cite year, okay, like this, and blah 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 blah. You can see will be Nath and Sanyal 1995. Okay, like this you can write it. Then what is the other advantages of using this package? We can change the styles. The default is coming plain author. After begin document, we can say here, okay, bibliography style. Three styles are there. A, bring, net. Okay, like this. Or plain net. Okay, plain one. Then another is unsort net. In addition, there are options are also available. What are the options? One of the option is how the numbering will come. Okay, suppose if you write square, this will come in squares. See, if you say the thing will come in generally parenthesis curly you say curly, the brackets will be in curly brackets. Okay? Or if you say angle, you will get angle once like this. How beautiful it is. Then another option is what type of columns, semicolons you require. Suppose here two names are immediately given. Where it is? Yeah, here. Sing it all like this. Okay. Suppose changing again this one. I'm not using this. Okay. And colon. So I give colon between this okay, or there is another thing, comma, that changes to comma or semicolon. Three things are there: colon, semicolon. Semicolon is the default. Okay, semicolon, colon, and comma. Then author year or numbers. Suppose you are sending your paper to some nature, etc., etc. So they want superscript. Just write super. It will come in superscript. Nath and Sanya. Okay, and Sanya here equal Sanya to heat treatment like this. See, immediately it changes to superscript. Like that, another thing is sort, unsort, compress like that. Now we are numbers. You see numbers. Only numbers will come. Nath and Sanya number one. Okay, like this. This type of numbering will come. These are the main three things. Other things are also there like long names first, a section bib, no name break, wedge, etc. etc. So this is for today's thing. And another site style also I have seen. We can change this to see if I am also site style. Yeah, style ADU or plain net. Plain net we have already given plain AGMS. So this is the AGMS style. Then DCU. Okay, this is the DCU style. And you have Clover. Is also just like that. Yeah, Cosper. This is the Cosper style of thing. Like this, all these things are defined in NATBIB. So if you want anything more, see the section on bibliography in the LaTeX tutorials, or see the documentation of NATBIB package. It has all the things you need, how to customize and all these things. This is the fifth lecture. In this lecture, we will deal with installing JabRef database management for bibliography databases and BibTeX for LaTeX. When I started my lectures, I was using JabRef version 4, but when I am going to teach you, I learned that JabRef version 5 is released, so I installed it and I am showing you how to install it JabRef 5 and use it with LaTeX. Search the web for JabRef. So we will come to here, click on here. This is the JabRef home page, and to download it, click on downloads, download latest release, and download the JabRef Windows installer. I have already downloaded this and it is available on my pen drive. So I will directly show how to install it. Double click JabRef 5. Now click next, next, install. It starts installing. So this is the JabRef. First we have to create a library, new library, BibTeX library, and save this to some directory, and preferably save library to a place where you want keep all the bibliography data in a single location. You can give it data 2. I am giving it. Okay. So first I will use it in the data 1. So click it here. You will see these type of icons on your system. So this is to add a data. Click on this. These type of things come. Generally it was kept on for article only. You add it, but you can change article to some other format. Article in book, booklet, collection, conference, in proceeding, etc. etc. So I am using the article only. So you type the name of the authors. Okay. Omkar Nath and like this, and you give a year of publication, 2012, journal's name, okay, hydrogen, hydrogen energy, title of the paper, okay, how to store H hydrogen more efficiently. So to prepare the key, we have to just click on this key symbol. Okay, Srivastava automatically came like this. Then there are optional fields. In optional fields, the journal's volume, you know, 23rd volume, number, 4th number, pages, 250 to 256, like this. And if you want, you can cross references, all these things also you can add, or comments or related articles if you want. And this is the BibTeX source. So how in actuality the database will be prepared. You can type like this also, but it is cumbersome. That is why we are using this bibliography database software. So to include another bibliography data, you click on this plus sign again. Okay. So to change this from article to book, click on this one. Okay. And then first the fields will be changed. Author's name. Okay. Something like and there is no editor for the book. This is web like this, and era publication. I'm saying okay. Publisher like this. There is no editor. Optional fields, suppose address, edition, if there are any editions, or you can also add number. There may be 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers of these things. You can increase them also on series also. Then if you have finished all these things, you can create another one by clicking on this, add another one. So we will see another thing like PhD thesis. Okay. So required field is author. There will be only one. School is Banaras Hindu University. Then title of the thesis, like this. Year of submission 2005. Okay, like this. Now we can create the BibTeX key here. Where to it and this thing 2000. Like this, we can do all these things. Now Control S, save it. to take these things in our text file, we are just opening a text studio file. To include this in this bibliography, I have not given. We have to tell the path also. See, okay, forward slash. What is the folder we have kept? We kept in C. C. I kept bib data. Okay. C. Bib data public data one. Now we can do another thing also. We can push these things directly to our thing. Suppose you want to code this one. Select this one. Here there is one thing like tech. This is for Text Studio. So just click it. It will directly go to the place where you want to put it. Suppose I am writing something here. Some blah 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 blah. So you want to cite it here. Just cite it like this. Okay. Then we are putting bibliography. This is the bibliography and the database's name. Style, generally first we will put plain style and show you. Okay. Now because the data is there, everything is compile this. Three times it will run and it will show the reference. Okay. Suppose I am adding another reference just like in the previous one. I will go to the this. Suppose I want to select both this and click here and push to the sorry, key not generated, that is why the mistake. Okay, now we are ready. We selected both. I am pushing to BibTeX. See, both are here. Now I can write it some blah blah blah, whatever I want. Just run it again. See, Rajesh Singh added, this thing added. Where is the Miller one? Why? I think bibliography data was not saved. That is the reason. See, all the three came. You can do like this. So what is the advantage of this system and how to this? There is a package called show keys. If we use this show keys, the keys will come. It will be handy for you to see whether everything is correct or not. Okay, these are the keys. Okay. Then suppose without quoting you want to create a bibliography file of all your database in a single file. For that also, you can just say no site and put a star. So everything in the database will come here. I have another data. Okay, I put without giving any path data 1. So I have put it in the same file where my this text file is there. So that data will also it will take out. See, I have others like this Sanyal, Singh, Srivastava, Watanabe. These things are from the other thing. Without citing, no cite, stop means take all the data from the databases. This is for it. Then we will see how to change the bibliography styles. So it is the plain bibliography. Plain means the full name is coming here. You can change this to abbrev, that is abbreviated. For that, it won't change immediately. First you run the LaTeX, then go to tools and click on bibliography. Again compile the document, then immediately it is changed. Now see, this is the abbreviated style. And another style available is ACM. Okay. So again run it. It won't come immediately. For that we have to go tools, bibliography, run it. Again run the LaTeX. Immediately it will change like this. See, without any effort, without typing anything from the database, it automatically took the data and changed according to the style of the journal. Then there is another one called APA-like. APA means American Psychological Association's style, APA-like. Run it and again go to bibliography and again run it. This is the style of American Psychological Association's style. See? I hope you understood it. The thing is, we used here a software called JobRef to prepare our databases. You can create as many databases as you like, and you can put them in the bibliography one after the other, one after the other, data 1, data 2, data 3, or you can say hydrogen or some material names. You can save anything, and you have to tell the path like this. Suppose this data also I have in some other directory, I have to put the entire path like this. Okay, because I have put this data 1, this data 1, there are two data 1, don't confuse with this one and this one. Okay, that data 1 data came here, and by just changing the bibliography style, we can change the style here also. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. If you have any doubt, please write to me. I will try to explain again in another lecture. So, you have to see the bibliography databases thing in the LaTeX tutorials. Thank you very much. Write to me on dvgtech@gmail.com, and my next lecture will be on mathematics in LaTeX. Thank you very much.